Want to create stunning AI videos using top models like Sora 2, Google Veo 3.1, and Kling AI all in one place? Meet Higgsfield AI, a powerful platform that gives you access to multiple advanced AI video generators from a single dashboard. In this video, I'll show you how to create cinematic, high-quality videos effortlessly, even if you're a beginner. Let's dive in.
Hey, this is Shujat Ahmed, and you're watching AI Ustad 2.0.
Let's go to Google and search for Higgsfield AI, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Higgsfield AI, an advanced AI video generation tool. Here we can see different features. We can create images, create videos, use motion controls, edit images, create images with Nano Banana Pro, edit videos with Kling AI, upscale images, create lip sync videos, use Soul ID, and much more. We can customize everything according to our needs. Nano Banana Pro is the best 4K image model ever. Kling Motion Control offers precise control of character actions. With the Influencer Studio, we can create viral characters and enhance skin details. We can also explore Mixed Media, a Higgsfield AI community gallery featuring stunning mixed media creations. Here we can see many use cases where people create viral GIFs, images, and visual effects. We can also generate images with different advanced AI models to create and edit images according to our needs. However, in this video, we will focus on creating AI videos. Click on Video. Here, we can find popular AI video generation tools like Sora 2, Google Veo 3.1, Seedance 1.5 Pro, and other advanced AI tools to generate videos effortlessly. Click on Create Video. This is the main dashboard for video generation. Here we can add a start frame and end frame if required. In the prompt bar, we can paste our prompt. We can change the AI model according to our needs, adjust the duration of the video, and change the resolution as well. Now let's paste a prompt and use different AI models to generate videos. For this demonstration, we'll use the following prompt: realistic video of a young boy running in a track competition, racing against other boys on an athletic track, crowd cheering in the background, judges and banners visible, intense and focused expression, dynamic camera tracking, bright, daylight, high energy sports atmosphere, smooth motion, cinematic quality. Paste the prompt. We can also enhance our prompt quality if needed. Now click on Model. From here, we can select a video model according to our needs. This time, we'll use Kling AI. Within Kling AI, there are different models available. We can choose the latest and most advanced model for our video generation. We'll select Kling 2.6, which can generate cinematic videos with audio. Toggle the audio option on or off according to your preference. We can also change the video duration and aspect ratio. For this demonstration, we'll select 16:9. Once everything is set, click Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate the cinematic video, so be patient. Once our video is ready, we can see Kling 2.6 has created a high-quality video. Let's play and watch it. Wow, amazing! With the help of this advanced AI video generation tool, we can create such stunning videos. Click on the three dots for more options. From here, we can open our video, reuse our prompt, regenerate the video, add it to a folder, share it with friends, or download it for free. Click on Download. Once the video is downloaded, let's play and watch it. Amazing. We can create such videos easily and effortlessly. Now let's generate one more video with the same prompt. Click on Model, then click on One. Here we can see different models available. Select one according to your needs. For this demonstration, we'll use One 2.5. We can also change the video duration, resolution, and aspect ratio according to our preferences. Once everything is set, click Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate the video, so be patient. Once our video is ready, let's play and watch it. Wow, amazing. With the help of this advanced AI video generation tool, we can create such stunning videos easily and effortlessly. Now, let's generate one more video with another AI model. This time, we'll use OpenAI Sora 2. Here we can find different AI video generation models, select the one that best fits your needs, such as Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, and others. For this demonstration, we'll use Sora 2 Pro Max. Adjust the video resolution, then click Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate the video, so be patient. Once our video is ready, let's play and watch it. Wow, awesome. We can create this type of high-quality video with the help of Sora 2 Pro Max. We can also download the video for free. Click on download. Once the video is downloaded, let's play and watch it. Amazing. We have created such high-quality videos with the help of Higgsfield AI. From today, forget about using different AI generation tools separately. You must use Higgsfield AI for video generation and all your creative needs. Try out this amazing AI tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Besides, don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.